Ever tried making beats on the go and thought this app will change my life only to get hit with more glitches than a 90s dial up connection? Yeah, I've been there too, but what if I told you this app could actually pull off that studio level magic from your phone? Let's talk about Beat App Pro. Is it a real deal or just another too good to be true download? Beat App Pro promises professional level music production, mixing, mastering, and even real time collaboration all from your pocket. And trust me, they make it look easy. 10,000 plus sounds, automation lanes, and wave exports. Sounds great, right? But let's dive deeper and see if it's more than just a fancy marketing pitch. First off, let's talk about that sound library. It's massive, royalty free too, but here's the catch. Some of those premium sounds, yeah, you'll need to pay extra for those, as for exporting the wave quality is spot on. 24-bit, 48 kHz, all that jazz. So if you need a clean file to take to your desktop, you're good. But the real-time collab mode, it's cool in theory, but there's a bit of lag when two producers are editing at the same time. It's not flawless, but hey, it works. So is Beat App Pro a scam? Nope, but if you're expecting a full desktop replacement, not so fast. It's great for sketching ideas, laying down basic tracks, and even collaborating on the go. But for serious production, you might still want that desktop setup. Bottom line, if you're mobile first, this app does deliver. Just don't expect it to be your full production powerhouse. Worth it for quick projects, absolutely. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.